doing?
First thing you want to do is you want to, you know, prep talk with your dog.
Can you go away? Hey, what are you doing? I tell her to go away and ask her what she's doing. Hey, what are you doing?
Look at her.
What are you doing? Don't own me.
She likes being here.
All right, first you gotta take these covers off right here. You know what I'm saying?
Which one? Show me.
These right here. They're 10 millimeter bolts. You might want a little extension with that and a deep well socket. And then, you know what I'm saying? Boom, pop out. You need 4 of them, but I already took 3 off. And they look like this thing right here. All right. You need a E20 E-torque.
All right.
Right here, it looks like that.
Nice. And what do we do with it?
There.
Okay.
And then you need a 21 for the other side. And then you're gonna need a 18 for this side and that side. All right, these two right here. And then you might have to loosen this some so you can bend it over and pull the spring out.
Don't hurt yourself.
I just did.
There you go.
This clip right there, right here. You push the tabs and pull that out. I got to
What is that?
you gotta remove the shocks to put this. What is this called? This is a handle kit for the lowering springs. This for what car? It's an add-on if you want it or not. You don't have to. But look, you need an E12 E-torque. So come under here. It goes under there, and when the bolts come out, they look like this. But when I put it in, I'm gonna show you guys. But this is how it looks when you get it out. And then this free spins once you loosen it. If you try to loosen it, it's gonna free spin. You're gonna need something to hold it, which I only got for the front. So I figured if I do this right here with a vice grip holding the middle, and you can still loosen it. You can still get it loose, and it's coming out. You can see.
Smart.
All right, you get to that shit off. Old spring out. Here's a new spring. Took these mounts off of that. Put it on here. All right, now we're putting it back in. Let's see how it goes. Shit. Me recogió Roberto, Italian.
Te van a regañar, güey.
She's like, bro, you're fucking. Like, you left here drinking, you're driving, you're all over there driving. You're drinking. I'm like, no, man, it came from me.
Someone's gotta tell your ass something. Motherfucker.
I just feel like that because you
True.
Something good. You know how it is.
Alright, Roy, I need you back down here and push this shit down, bro. What's up with you, bro?
We need your assistant.
Master Tech is coming. I'm about to do the hardest part right now.
Oh, never mind. I don't need your ass.
Oh.
Get the fuck on.
Damn. You went from needed to useless. Get the fuck on out of here, man. Clock out. Go ahead.
Clock out, bro. Go home.
Go ahead and clock out for me, man. Go ahead and clock out for me.
You were too slow. And I
When he said, ready? You gotta be there in a second, man.
Ready? You set
I
though?
was gonna go fucking running back there.
Come back down, bro.
I take out my good stuff.
Pinche puto. Yes, dude.
Yes.
Oh shit, angry. Animals. Alright, we got
Can I
one.
let go, bro? I'm getting tired.
Oh yeah, you can let go. I'm sorry, bro.
I've been playing.
Good job.
I've been playing you, bro.
I don't think you need these.
Which is hard right here, pushing this down to get the struck out.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright. I got the spreader tool. You need the spreader tool for this? Yeah. That tool kind of works, but you see a flathead in there?
A flathead?
Yeah.
I can get one. Yo.
It's separated now. Let's see.
Oh shit. So this is what you do, guys, when you guys are trying to take your rotors out of the FG25. And then we got this single alcoholic.
Well, if you guys got this far in this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. How to lower your car on springs. Got my alignment done. Camber is perfect. Toe is good. Tire's not gonna wear out. That's what I was looking forward to. So I'm happy with these lowering springs. Stay tuned. It doesn't have tips right now, but alright guys. Well, I got the AWE Torn Edition exhaust system coming. There's also the track. I guess the track is a little louder since it's stripe pipe. But I will see you guys again in the next video.